Today we're taking a deep dive into Sporty's Flight Gear dual headset duffel bag. This is one of our largest bags in the line, and it's perfect for pilots who have more to carry, like multiple headsets on your flights. Let's dive in and take a closer look. Sporty's Flight Gear bags feature heavy-duty construction, and they have these massive zipper pulls that are really easy to find even with gloves on. Inside this pocket, you're going to find my logbook inside of a carrying case. There's pens and pencil holders over here on the side, and there's a key clip over here. I don't like flying with things in my pocket, so often I'll put my car keys on this little clip. We have a small slot pocket here for a credit card if you're buying fuel when you're flying around. And there's even an e-tracker holder here up front. You can slip a popular e-tracker inside of there, and now if you happen to use your flight bag, you can use an app to find it. There's a zipper pocket inside of here that can hold charging cables. In the front of this bag is where you'll find the embroidery window. Sporty's expert embroidery staff can put your name or end number right here on the front of the bag. They do that by unzipping this little zipper here and embroidering it to the front panel. When it's done, they zip it back up and it's all nice and clean. The sides of the bag feature padded headset pockets, and each one of them has a slash pocket here that's perfect for a fuel tester or a flashlight. The padded headset pockets are oversized and can fit even the largest aviation headset. The back of the bag features a magnetic closure pocket, so it's perfect for charge, or you can keep an iPad here on the outside for quick reference. The second padded headset pocket can be found here on the other side. Since I'm only flying with one headset, I kind of use this as my junk drawer pocket. You'll find my coffee, a backup battery brick, and even some sunglasses in this pocket. The bottom of this flight bag has custom cleats and rubberized fabric. This helps prevent water from soaking up through the bottom of the bag if you happen to set this down on a wet tarmac. The top of the bag has these heavy-duty handles with padded covering. There's also a padded shoulder strap with beefy hardware on each side. The shoulder strap is adjustable for different lengths. The inside of this bag is massive. We often joke that it's our body bag. You have room on the front for an iPad. Even stored vertically, it'll still fit. There's slash pockets on each side wall that fit ADS-B receivers real nicely. The back wall features what we call the gear mod wall. This soft velvet material that you can use hook and loop to attach accessories to. We sell a lot of different options for this back wall so you can further customize your flight bag. This massive interior is perfect for extra headsets, mounting, or even if you're doing a lot of filming in the air, this is the perfect camera bag for you influencers. This is one of many Sporty's Flight Gear bags, and we have a bag for just about every mission out there. You can find them all online at sportys.com.